This weird looking thing is the Atari 7800 Pro Line joystick. As you can see, it has kind of an odd shape, but it is a huge improvement over the crappy 5200 controller. It works well, it looks nice, has a nice chrome plate on it though, it says Atari right there. Buttons feel good, but they're in kind of an odd position. One right here and one kind of in an odd position. Yeah. And the joystick itself is kind of stiff, has a really tiny dead zone. But that being said, it does work well. And something interesting is that it rotates back and forth. This does absolutely nothing in the game. No, this is not a paddle controller, this is just a joystick controller. Since the buttons are in a really odd position, and the joystick has a really tiny dead zone, when you're getting in when you're in a really intense game that requires two buttons, the controller will just slide around in your hand like this. But for games that only require one or no buttons, there's this little grippy thing right here to keep it in place. Which doesn't work too bad. Works even better with games that require no buttons. Yeah, it works pretty good. It works for left-handed or right-handed players. I'm right-handed, by the way. This isn't the best controllers out there. There's definitely better controllers, like the Atari 2600 joystick, or the Sega Genesis gamepad, which will also work on the Atari 2600 or 7800. There's definitely better controllers out there, but this is not a bad controller in my opinion. There's definitely better, there's definitely worse. It's okay. If you want an Atari 7800 controller, I recommend getting the European 7800 controller, which I do not currently have. The European controller is basically like a gamepad, not a joystick. Still, this is an okay controller. Not the best, not the worst. It's alright. Anyways, thanks for watching.